Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. This video is regarding XML task in SSIS. So this XML task is used to work with XML data. So there are different options you can do with the XML task. So using this task, a package can retrieve XML documents, apply operations to the documents by using extensible style sheet language transformation, that is XXLT style sheets and XPath expressions. Merge multiple documents. We are going to see one example of that, or validate, compare, and save the updated documents to files and variables. So we will go deep into it. There are different operations concerning XML tasks. When you configure the task, you can see different operations. In that, one is diff operation, the next one is validation, then merge operation, XPath this day, XSLT is there. So diff operation can be configured to use a different comparison algorithm depending on whether the comparison must be fast or precise. So it is used for comparison. The validation operation can be configured to use either a document type definition DTD or XML schema XSD. So the XML task supports merging of Unicode documents. This means the task can apply the merge operation only to documents that have a Unicode encoding. Using of other encodings will cause the XML task to fail. So if you see an XML file, there will be a Unicode encoding in the first line. So it says about that. We will see in the example which we are going to use today using the merge. So we will start it. We can go to the Visual Studio and we can select the file, start a new project, integration service project, and you can name the project and you can give the location for it. Then you can create the product. So in the control flow in itself, you can see in the left side common task, and you can see this XML task in the end. You can double click the XML task and you can double click the XML task to configure the task. Here itself, you can see the operation type. This is the operation type we have told earlier. One is difference, diff, and merge is there, patch is there, validate is there, XPath and XSLT is there. So we will see an example of merge today. Select the merge one from the operation and the entire window will change with respect to the merge. And here we have the source type and then we have the second operand. Source type means the first file and the second operand is the second. You can use two files and you can merge it. So we are going to use two files that in XML, then we will be merging it into a new file. I'll show you both the files. So this book one is the first file and book two is the second file. And you can see this is the book one. It is having the XML code for one book, and book two will be having another book. Here the book ID is 101 and the book two will be having 102. Book two is having 102. So we need to join these together. Book one and book two, we need to join this together and we will merge it together and we will create a new XML file with XML tasks. So we can go back to the Visual Studio and here we will give the first file as file connection itself. We have another option also, direct input and variable also is there. We will give it file connection and we will give the source path, and we have an existing file. So we will browse the file. Book one is the file name and we will select OK. And we will go to the second operand and instead of direct input, we will make it as file connection and then we will give the second operand, and that is also browse it and get the book to fine. Now the next one, we need to give the XPath. You need to give the path of this. And the path of it is, if we check the XML file, you need to get the root element, that is catalog. So you will get the catalog and we will write it here. So we will write it here, the catalog. And we need to create a output file. So save operation result, we will give it as true. And we need to expand this operation result. And here also we have to give it as file connection and destination. We have to give the new file destination. Here instead of existing file, we will do one thing. We can create a file and we can browse the path of it. And here you can give the name of the file. You can give it as catalog.xml. You can give it OK and we can override the destination if you executed it the second time. And that's it. We can give it OK. Now you can execute the package. Yes, we don't have any errors in this since we are having a green tick flag. Now we will go and check We'll go and check the directory. Yeah, we got the third one, catalog, and we will open it and see we have opened it and we got 101 and 102 after 101. So this is the first XML file and this is the second XML file and this is the output we got merging the two. So in this way, you can use the XML task for different XML operations. Hope this is an informative one. Have a nice day.